In this video, I'll show you how to create a Zoom meeting link. First, download the Zoom app on your computer from the official Zoom website. Install it and sign into your account. If you don't have one, create a new account. After logging in, you will see the Zoom homepage. Now, click on Schedule. A new window will open. Here, enter the meeting name. Then, choose the date and time for your meeting. You can also adjust other settings if needed. Now, if you want Zoom to email the link automatically, you can add attendees' email addresses. This is important because they will receive the meeting link directly. Once everything is set, click Save or Send. Your meeting is now created. To get the link manually, click on the Scheduled Meeting. On the right side, you will see the Invite link. Right-click on it and select Copy Link. Now you can paste and send this link to anyone. And that's it. That's how you create a Zoom meeting link.